Hi, and thanks for watching this video about Accountant's Desktop. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you how a personal assistant in an accounting practice could use the resources on our website on a typical day. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up below. And don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. It's time for the practice to review their tax return lodgement performance and chase up not lodged returns. Charlie downloads our Lodgement Dashboard workbook for income tax returns and imports 2 CSV files containing the ATO lodgement report and a practice management report matching clients with client managers. The workbook merges that information into a dashboard with a comprehensive summary of the status of returns by type, due dates, and the managers responsible. You can drill down at this dashboard to see the actual returns that make up each number. The combined report is circulated to managers in the practice to take follow-up action. Alex gives Charlie a shoebox full of receipts and asks her to summarise them. Charlie uses the blank worksheet to enter amounts, calculate totals, automatically deduct any private use, and keep a record of her calculations. While summarising the above receipts, Charlie notices that some amounts are in a foreign currency. To convert those amounts to Australian dollars, Charlie uses our foreign currency workbook. Charlie receives a call from a new client who makes an appointment to complete their personal return. The client wants to know what information to bring to the meeting. Charlie emails a records checklist to the client. Sam received a call from a client who has just purchased 3 negatively geared rental properties and needs to reduce PAYG withholding amounts being deducted from their pay. Sam asks Charlie to send the client a request for information needed to prepare the application. Charlie emails the variation questionnaire to the client. Sam has asked Charlie to send emails to FBT clients asking for information to prepare their FBT returns. Charlie prepares the emails using our template letter and encloses a checklist of potential benefits along with a schedule on which the client can record details of car fringe benefits. A number of assessments with amounts to pay were received from the ATO this morning. Charlie prepares a letter on their practice management system and inserts standard wording from our template. Alex has just completed a set of company accounts and tax returns and asks Charlie to prepare an invoice. Charlie copies our template invoice text to her outgoing email. Alex gives Charlie a collection of dividend and tax statements for a retired investor client who is not required to lodge a return, but who wants to claim a refund of the imputation credits. Charlie uses our franking credit refund worksheet to prepare the figures for the application form and gives it back to Alex for checking. Alex gives Charlie 12 monthly real estate agent statements for a rental property and asks her to prepare a summary for the tax return. Charlie downloads and prepares our rental income workbook to prepare that summary. Charlie receives a reply to her earlier email to the client requesting information to prepare their PAYG withholding variation with the questionnaire duly completed. Charlie enters the information to our PAYGW variation calculator and passes it on to Alex for checking. Thanks for watching this video showing how Charlie uses our site on a typical day. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give it the thumbs up below. And don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Our contact details are shown on the screen, so please feel free to contact us for any further information.